Forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
पीपल आई वेलकम यू टू सोल स्टेरो। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो आज हम करने वाले हैं हमारे वर्गोस की कन्या राशि वालों के लिए व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस दे नीड टू सी इन लव। सो दिस इज अ स्ट्रिक्टली रिलेशनशिप रीडिंग, लव मैसेजेस फॉर यू for the upcoming full moon and Sagittarius eclipse May 26 and post that also timeless. So universe, मेरे कोई clock नहीं है, right? So it's going to be an English reading essentially, but of course with the flavor of Hindi. Keep that in mind. Subtitles of course are there. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do, as I love you so much. My new joiners, I welcome you on board. My old joiners, I love you guys. Virgos are very balanced people. They're very fixed people. They know exactly how they want. They like to plan things in certainty. So guys, we are in the COVID times. I hope aap sab safe hain. Stay safe. I hope your loved ones are safe. Keep in view, it's very important to value the people around you, to be grateful for what you got, right? Do watch the encapsulated reading, a detailed reading that I did for full moon and Sagittarius lunar. Do watch that. I'm going to pin it. And let's dive in. So let's see what is your love oracle. Okay, मेरी सारे information description box में है. Do have a look and let's see. I'm going to timestamp this. Okay, Michael, show me the messages I need to see for my soul tribe. Kanya Rashi, Virgos के लिए. What do they need to see? What are the upcoming energies? Let's put it that way. Upcoming energies in love. What do they need to see? Could be an existing relationship. Could be something which is coming in. Could be what you are asking about, right? So let's see what is your core message you need to see. We have detachment, Virgos. You're releasing old patterns and ideas that no longer serve your highest ideals of love. Please watch this. Okay, it is like an opportunity. Don't be confused. I said this in the I don't know which reading, but do watch your sun moon rising, guys. You could be dealing with an air sign. You know, it's like अगर काया है तो माया है. I'm a writer, okay, a poetess. So there are 2 books that I've published. Why I say that? Because the content is very important. Whatever I say on the channel is very authentic. I will never give you manipulated, sugar-coated readings. बेकरार है, दिल भर रहा है, मोहब्बत है या नहीं? I can't do that, dear. I just wish to contribute to the community in a very good positive way, and I know the other readers also doing that, but it's very important to trust your inner compass. Okay, if the reading resonates with you, even if for like 5 minutes, 10 seconds, 20 seconds you feel that, oh, you know what kind of is talking to me, do think about it. Okay, like करें ना करें वो आपका choice है, but subscribe करिए, कम्युनिटी को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करिए, सो दैट द अदर पीपल ऑल्सो कैन गेट इन दी वोक एनर्जी. जो लोग टैरो देखते हैं ना, या जो लोग स्पिरिचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग में होते हैं, वो समझते हैं ये क्या है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट प्लेइंग विद कार्ड्स, इट्स अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट साइकिक एबिलिटीज, इट्स अबाउट divine timing and order, it's about understanding all that, right? Because I think it's time to be very grateful. Okay, your old ideas of loving or having or being in a relationship are changing. You're going to change those ideas because you're not going to be stuck in the old energies. Okay, you're ready to transform and you're ready to explore. Your heart is opening to receiving love now. You want to receive love because you know you haven't been very happy with the kind of love or people you've met or served, right? जिन लोगों से met आपने करूँ, some who have been in those relationships where you know something was amiss, and that could be from your end too, right? Do watch your sun moon rising, but as I said that it's more about you changing for good. You saying that you know what, I would invite energies that are for my highest good, as I trust the higher power, as I know कि वो जो भी भेज रहे हैं towards me, that is going to be amazing, that is going to be for my betterment, मेरी soul growth के लिए एक enriching experience आप चाह रहे हैं, right? So wow, the message is wow, that detachment any which way is great. प्रेम में कोई वियोग नहीं होता, you know, Krishna always says that there's no viyog in love, there's no separation in love. Even if you're not with the person you want to be with, you should not feel that kind of pain. You should enjoy that pain because that makes you grow, that makes your relationship grow, right? whoever you believe in. Take it the way it comes to you, like could be angels, your guides, father, right? Show me the messages, Blueberry. Michael, what do I need to see for Virgos? Kanya Rashi ke liye. Detachment. आओ ना चुप हो क्यों, आओ ना. It's about please come. Please come. Why are you so quiet? It's about you. I think this is more like your energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could have water in your chart. It's about you saying that, I'm seeking the kind of love that makes me feel complete. Because if something makes you feel that, pulls you in that low energy, makes you feel that, oh my god, I can't live without the person. Arey, main kaise rahu, Shivi? That is not a healthy feeling yet. Trust me. I don't like it. I have experienced it. I don't like it. You need to know that if there's love, और क्या चाहिए? और जीने को क्या चाहिए? I said in the beginning of the reading, you're dealing with an air sign. Could be a Gemini. Love is a lot of passion, a lot of love is what you already have with somebody. That is what they're saying, that is making you feel what you're feeling. You don't need to attract that kind of love. You don't need to ask for that kind of love. You need to make those changes around it. Do watch the reading that I did for that somebody needs to make that adjustment reading. It was a hashtag VDW reading, daily vibe. Do watch it. Because I think here Virgos, essentially you guys are saying that out loud, that what? No more like lovey-dovey, sexy kind of vibe. I am done. I am walking away towards something which is more stable. Something that offers me the light in the dark too. Right? Not eclipsing it. Full moon kind of vibe you're asking. You're saying that I want to change it. I don't want to attract the same kind of relationships which don't serve me for my highest good. Right? You want to make those changes and you want to explore. Whoever Virgos that I'm tapping in with, guys, you guys are very attractive. You got lots of choices. And of course, water in the chart, or maybe you're dealing with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy too. So you got choices. Look around. Someone is actually looking around. Someone is actually watching. Maybe some of you are already on the dating sites. Some of you are already, looking for the right kind of match. Or somebody is stalking you. Do watch the stalker alert reading also. Let me pin that reading with your reading. So someone is watching you. Maybe there are, messages coming to you that you are not very receptive to because you're busy doing you. That's where the message is that the idea is to release all that is not serving you, not stay stuck in the past, guys. If any relationship, for some Virgos that I am tapping in, if something was not working out, just let it go. Don't stick on to it, because you need to have a soulful, healthy, strong kind of love with someone that you're already in love with, right? So we have the Magician. Okay, so the Magician is again the same, that you can change the dynamic of the relationship whichever way you want, guys. You can just do it. Okay, because that's what they're saying. See, if I see the energy has been like the idea that you have to change it all for the better. Trust me, guys, Virgos, I say that with a lot of understanding, that until this moment, those who are watching and resonating, people, please, if it's not your story, don't fix it, okay? But if until this moment you did not kind of realize it, but now it's like suddenly you feel, oh, it's like the mirror thing, mirror. So it's completely in your hands. You're dealing with an air sign. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that you're dealing with, Virgos. But it's also about understanding that you've got all the tools. You're very skilled. You've got all the tools. You're very attractive. You're very abundant. You're a very Nine of Pentacles kind of energy, any which way. So there's nothing that you don't have. You've got options. You've got choices, hands down. With the Ten of Wands here, it's about like saying bye-bye Tata to whatever was not serving you in your life till now. to invite the Ten of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. This is what completes it. So that's what they're saying, that you need to be very sure about the kind of people you are inviting in your life. So learn the art of manifesting. I've been saying that on my readings a lot, because I do hold the kind of workshops, and I say that with experience, that if you know how to manifest right now, people, there are a lot of videos that people watch and say, I can do this and I can do that. But trust me, I hold workshops on manifestation and they are like, wow, like that's the kind of response I get. So you would attract the kind of love which would be very fulfilling, physically and emotionally too. That's what they're suggesting here. That would offer you stability. You could be dealing with, of course, a quote also of a Capricorn energy, but essentially I see an air sign. I'll be very honest. Water for some, yes, but essentially, as I said, is about the same kind of energy. So let me just clarify, as to what is, Spirit suggesting. You don't want to deal with the bullshit anymore. No more cookie business for my workers. You're like, I'm done. Don't treat me like a cookie. I'll carry my baggage and everything. I'm be out of your life. That's the kind of vibe for some that I tap in. You're like, maybe you say, you know what? Don't treat me like. I'm a happy-go-lucky kind of person. I can balance myself out, and I can make it. You don't have to worry about it. Show me the messages, Blueberry Michael, that I need to see for Virgos, Kanya Rashi. Let's see. What better to ask for? Two of Cups. This is the kind of love they're saying. Lovers is great. Wow. But they're saying now it's time to step up. It's time to step up and come into the realization that there's more to what somebody can offer. It's not just about making someone feel, oh, I love you, I want you, and this and that. It's also about, you know what, honey, I understand. Oh, you know what, I'll take care, and all of that. So the person here in question is saying the same thing, that, or feeling the same thing. This is what I'm inviting. Virgos, this is what you're inviting. Maybe you're dealing with a strong air sign, as I said. You are dealing with a strong air sign, and this has been popping out a lot. Ace of Wands. So it's about inspiration. Get inspired for this kind of love. That is what I'll say to you. Okay, I would just say that if you really want to invite the Ten of Pentacles in your life, if you want to invite this kind of love, the true kind of love in your life, the fulfilling experience in your life, because you have it all with the Magician here. You already have it all. They're saying if you really want it, you can make it happen. Okay, that's what they're advising, and they're saying that it's going to come to you. It's going to come to you. Just be very aligned. Just know, let go of the patterns that are not serving you anymore. Do not feel stuck. My Virgos, my Kanya Rashi, you guys are like a very fixed sign. You don't like to change things here and there, right? But that is essential. That's inspiration. That's growth. You have to go towards it, right? And that's where your stability is going to come. Options hona achhi baat hoti hai. Let me just close the reading with that. It's very good to have options. But remember, lots of opportunities, lots of possibilities, yes. But confusion too, right? So work with your higher self, with the Magician here also. Like, try to work around your tools and skills and understand what you need to let go, what you need to invite in, so that you can embrace these two. You can embrace the Ten of Pentacles. You can have this again, right? So could be you already have this. There's certain changes that you need to make around. Have that little tadka to change the sprinkler that you need to do, the garnishing that you need to do in the relationship. Because I think that's what I have for you. If the reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe. And I love you to the moon and back. Have a wonderful day. Bye.